welcome back to Andriod. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Cardano Ada. Absolutely, this video is very urgent and alert news for all Cardano holders. So keep watch this video till the end, friends, because this video going to be very special, going to be very urgent for all Cardano holder friends. Friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 hour latest price chart of the Cardano. Absolutely a complex structure price chart you can see now on the screen. Let me show you, friends. Fast down after fast take a jump, again fast down after fast jump. As you can see here, you can easily understand that what's going on in a Cardano, friends. But before seeing the more details, before talking about the more details about Cardano, so please I request everyone, please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Let me change the price chart color of the Shiba to easily understand. Let's see. Let me show you, friends. You can see here this time fast down after fast take a jump, again fast down, take a jump, again fast down and take a jump. So that is the common procedure continue in a Cardano, friends, from the previous last 1 hour, friends. And now, as you know, it is the last of month, and that is why a lot of short-term investors are going to sell, and a lot of people want to buy Cardano. That is why the price is fast down for a little time, jump for a little time. So a lot of holders also doing this at this time very big. A lot of holders when see the price of the Cardano, when they see this kind of fast continues in a Cardano, so they decide to sell. And after 10 minutes, after a 5 minute, the prices again move upward, so they decide to say it's time to hold, friends. Again they buy. So it's a common procedure. Don't decide to sell, it's time to hold. That is the continuously procedure. As I show you, friends, fast down after fast take a jump, fast down fast take a jump. So that is the continuously procedure of the Cardano, friends. Let's see, my friends, more details about Cardano. You can see here at this time the currently price of the Cardano in the market is 1.549 USD dollar, friends, and the opening price of the Cardano in the market is 1.507 USD dollar, friends. And if we look at the price change in the Cardano, so you can see here the average change occurred in the Cardano in the last 24 hours in last 1 day as positive 2.79%, friends. Same like that, if you look the lowest price of the Cardano, so 1.439 USD dollar is lowest price in the last 24 hours, and the highest price is 1.649 USD dollar, friends. So friends, the main purpose of making this video is that they don't decide to sell, it's time to hold. And maybe, my friends, there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the start of new month, friends, because in the new month and the start of new month, friends, a lot of people want to buy a Cardano. So when a lot of people want to buy a Cardano, so absolutely you are in the profit, the price move upward, friends. Anyways, my friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.